No, no, she is very stable now. Okay, so first thing that I would like to inform that the management and the staff of Manipal University are shocked and appalled to this incident which happened to one of our students. Okay, and our heart goes on the victim and the family, and the Manipal University is making sure that she is receiving the best medical and emotional support at this stage. Families, yes, we have informed them and they are on the way, maybe reaching tonight or tomorrow morning.
Medically, is she fine? Physically, is she fine? Out of danger? Is she still in critical care?
No, no, no. She is fine and she is stable and is being treated in our own hospital, Kasturba Hospital, Manipal. Madam, the whole investigation is being done by the relevant authorities. I think there are few other, I think it is too early for me to say anything on this issue. Maybe this may be directed to the relevant authorities. That is what I would like to inform now.
Then again, will you be reviewing security now in terms of, because obviously this has happened, she was picked up from your hostel, from your university campus, she was taken to a place not very far off, so will you be reviewing security now? Have similar such incidents happened before?
No, we are also very shocked, and we are running this campus from the last 50 years. And this is the first of its kind happening in Manipal. We are also really shocked and we really condemn this incident. And yes, we are fully cooperative with the relevant authorities, police and the district authorities. And whatever the information or access to the information what we have it, we will give to the authorities. And our intention is also we have to get this culprit to the books at the earliest. The necessary measures in consultation with the police authorities to tighten the security in campus as well as outside.
I believe there have been a couple of incidents like this. Some doctor was raped also, I think a couple of years ago. So it's not, the safety of women, especially women students, has been under question.
No, madam. This is first of its kind. It's never happened in a campus like in Manipal. This is the first of its kind, and we are also again. I reiterate, we fully condemn this incident. That is what I would like to mention here.
Any CCTVs that were in the campus where any kind of footage could have been caught, maybe at least an auto registration number, something that you...
Yeah, so yes, we have the CCTV cameras in the campus, and all this footages, all the access for any kind of this information that we have already given to the authorities. I hope this will be useful in their investigation.